Well, hello everybody. How you doing? This is Jeff, right back at you again with another video. And what I'm doing today is I am chasing a vacuum leak. I know it's kind of hard to do that without the motor running, but I have maybe some questions. Maybe one of y'all the 10 of you that might watch my video, might have a suggestion. And my question is, this is a 66 390 out of a Thunderbird. I don't know why that's necessary to know, but I am wondering if what I can get rid of and what I can cap off, right? See, I know this is the fuel line. And this, I'm trying to figure out how much I need and how much I can just get rid of, you know what I mean? And probably some new hoses will probably work out. Who knows? You know, before I got this car, this thing set forever. And I don't think it's the hose that comes off the brake booster there, because it looked pretty good. I blew through it. It was cleared, so there's nothing blocking. And I think the vacuum leak come from this thing here, because I put this little thing on there to help seal it off. And yeah, that was barely on there, so I'm guessing that was the culprit. But I'm trying to figure out if I actually need that or not. I guess the best thing to do is cap it off and see what it does, right? Asking questions I might already know the answers to. Isn't that funny how people do that? You know, this piece right here doesn't do nothing but hook to the manifold there, so maybe it does something, I don't know. I wish I was a little more mechanically inclined as far as this stuff goes. I mean, I could change parts out, no problem. But, you know, maybe this advanced vacuum advanced, maybe this is the culprit. You know, maybe that's wore out. But I can't find one of these for this particular car. And I can find it on eBay. I just, at the regular auto parts store, they don't carry that. You know, they barely carry that gasket right here. You got a special order that little 2-barrel gasket. Isn't it funny? Anyway, it's kind of ramble video, but hey, ramble videos something, right? So you know, it was running really good on Saturday. Ran really great up until the evening, and then it just, I don't know if it's vapor locking on me or what it is, but I don't know. Little 390. I guess it's a big block, right? Big block 390. I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss. Had a fella up there offer me money for the car. So, I don't know. Can't get the money if I can't get it to run, right? I don't know. I probably won't sell it, but who knows? I might just kick it out in the road and say, "Come get this piece of junk." Sometimes I question life. Maybe I need all that on there, maybe I don't. But finding them parts is like trying to find money where it ain't there, you know what I mean? Anyway, sorry you're looking at this stupid cheesy video if you're watching my stuff. I appreciate you watching. If you know, leave a comment. Maybe I can look into it. You know, maybe it's just that carburetor. Maybe the carburetor is just junk, and maybe I need to step it up to a 4-barrel, right? Yeah, a 4-barrel. That'll open her up. Or it may need just a rebuild, I don't know. Anyway, that's all I got. Hope y'all have a good time figuring out your stuff, and I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.